Hey there, my friend. Welcome to today's video. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. And today's video is all about how to do cardio at home for fat loss, for weight loss, for improving your health. Because right now, at the time of shooting this video, the whole world is kind of on this COVID-19 lockdown. And a lot of us who normally had access to cardio equipment and gyms, etc., don't anymore. So we got to figure out how to do cardio at home. And whether or not you're watching this now during this time or way into the future, this is going to be an amazing video for you. Now, there are two different types of cardio that we want to be looking at, and they're called LISS and HIIT. And LISS stands for low intensity steady state cardio, and HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. And both types of cardio are great. I'm going to show you how to do both at home. First, let's look at the LISS, the low intensity steady state cardio. This is basically a type of exercise that people used to call aerobics, where you and I could actually be doing cardio together, but it's not at such a high intensity that we couldn't be talking to each other. So maybe we're going through a jog or a walk, or we're doing something where we're not gasping for breath and we're not burning it to the max. We're just kind of in this nice aerobic zone where we're definitely working, we're getting a sweat going, we're building some heat in the body, but it's not so intense that, we're bursting out. Now, HIIT, on the other hand, is a type of cardio where we do a burst interval for, let's say, 30 seconds to 1 minute, as hard and fast as we can, and we're actually giving it our all, we're gasping for air, and then we rest and recover for a period of time, and then we hit it again hard. So let's talk about LISS first, which is basically a standard kind of cardio, which is incredibly beneficial. Both cardio types are great, and I want you to pick the one that actually fits your personality and your time schedule. With LISS, low intensity steady state, the workouts typically take 30 minutes to 1 hour. You're going for a longer pace at a lower intensity. Some of the best kinds of things you can do, if you have a treadmill at home, obviously use that. I think walking on an incline on a treadmill at a fast walk, like 3.5 miles per hour or more on an incline, is one of the best types of low intensity steady state cardio. It's easy on your knees. It's great for your glutes, your low back. It's a favorite type of cardio for a lot of bodybuilders and fitness athletes because it's really effective for burning fat. So that's a great option. If you don't have a treadmill at home, but you have some stairs, you could be doing walking upstairs, walking back down continuously. I don't know if you mentally are willing to do that for 30 to 45 minutes, but if you are, it's a great way. Walking stairs is phenomenal. It's a tried and true cardio method. That's why a lot of these gyms have those continuous Stairmasters. You could get a stationary bike, which is some of those bike machines at home. Or if you actually have a real bicycle, they actually have these platforms where you can actually just ride your bike on the platform at home. That's an option with equipment. But when it comes to basically no equipment or very little, a good old jump rope, something a lot of us used to use as kids, but this is one of the best types of cardio because you can just jump in place. It's great on your shoulder strength. It's actually good on your shoulder health and your core, great for your calves. And you could do a workout where you jump rope for like 20 to 30 minutes. You can take breaks when you need it, but overall it's an amazing type of cardio for your whole body. Really great for LISS, and it's super portable. If you get in the habit of jumping rope, you can do it anywhere. Pack a jump rope anywhere where you travel. It's really convenient. You could do a brisk walk. So if you have just access to outdoor, one of the best types of cardio, particularly for weight loss, and the research is really powerful on this, is basically walking for 30 to 60 minutes per day is enough exercise coupled with a healthy diet to help you lose weight consistently. So just walk fast and breathe through your nose, and it's going to be one of the best exercise forms, period. And all you need is a sidewalk and you're outside. So that's great. If you are confined at home and you can't leave, doing a yoga flow, something that's a little higher tempo where you're doing a lot of chaturanga, a lot of like flow between upward dog, downward dog, some squatting type of stuff. A yoga that's very active, not like a yin, more relaxing deep stretch yoga, but something that's getting you moving. Phenomenal for this low intensity steady state cardio. It's going to get your heart rate up. It's going to work on your strength and your balance, your coordination. It'll also help you relax. So I could not recommend yoga more. And finally, I would say just some jumping jacks. Good old fashioned jumping jacks, like up, down, like we used to do as kids. The military uses them for good reason because they're simple and it's great low intensity steady state cardio. It's good for your core. It's good for opening things up and knocking over your whiteboards. But point being, jumping jacks, really amazing. These are some simple options at home. We're gonna link some workouts below in the description, some yoga flows we like, and we have some free workouts at home that involve a pair of dumbbells and kettlebells as well. It's not exactly low intensity steady state, but it's very, very effective. You can check those out as well. Now, low intensity steady state is great, but also high intensity interval training is also phenomenal. And this is if you have less time, you wanna get a 15, 20 minute workout in, and you wanna hit it hard and really burst it out. HIIT is amazing. So the ways we can do HIIT is basically that 30-second burst as hard as fast as you can, and then we recover for 30 seconds to 1 minute. So 30 seconds on, 30 seconds to 1 minute off, if you will. And ways we can do this using these same kinds of equipment. Let's say we do have a stationary bike. We can crank the intensity up. We can sprint hard on that bike with higher resistance for like 30 seconds and then cruise for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then repeat 30 seconds on, cruise for there. And you can repeat that cycle for 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, however long you have. It's an amazingly simple way to do HIIT. It's great. You could do stairs, high intensity stairs, sprint the stairs. You could go outside and run for 30 to 60 seconds and then walk for 30 to 60 seconds recovery. That's really amazing. You can obviously jump rope higher intensity. So you do like high knees for 30 to 60 seconds, then recover. Or if you don't want to do any of those, we can do some of these strength training exercises and some bodyweight calisthenic stuff in a HIIT routine, which I absolutely love. So a great flow that I love is doing burpees, which is where you bend down, you jump, you get down, you do push-ups. And I'll link below the workout that we actually have for this in the comment and the description below, so you can check this out, so you can actually see me demo this. But burpees for 30 to 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, then we'll go into air squats for 30 to 60 seconds, then we'll rest, and then we'll do mountain climbers for 30 to 60 seconds, and then we'll rest, and you can repeat that cycle. Burpees, rest, air squats, rest, mountain climbers, rest. And mountain climbers are where you're in a plank position and you're kind of firing your feet forward like pistons. What a simple workout. 3 moves. You can repeat in a circuit. Again, for like 10 to 15 minutes, it will totally boost your metabolism. It's gonna be great for your core, great for your strength, and then you can do it with no equipment. So it doesn't really get any better than that. So these are the 2 types of cardio. You can do both of them at home. Depends on your equipment, your personality, and your time. What I would suggest is you do something every single day as a baseline. So even if you're just getting a 30-minute walk, that is phenomenal. And then try to get these cardio workouts in 2, 3, 4 times per week. And I would combine this with the kind of strength training workouts that you can do in a circuit fashion as well. We've linked below in the description for Fit Fathers. We have a 24-minute metabolism boosting workout that involves a pair of dumbbells. And it's basically cardio plus strength training. It's the most effective type of exercise you can do, period. If you're short on time and you want to actually improve your fitness, lose weight, and build muscle, it's in the comment in the description below. We'll send that straight to your email. Or if you're a fit mother watching this video, we have our free Fit Mom Jumpstart that gives you our meal plan and our 24-minute workout. We'll send that straight to your email as well. So check those links below in the description. Do this a couple times per week. And again, the most important thing is just to start doing something. Something is like 1,000,000 times better than nothing. So find something that fits your personality and start getting after it. Thank you for being here, my friend. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, subscribe to our Fit Father Project and Fit Mother Project YouTube channels. We literally have hundreds of videos like this on how to do cardio, how to strength train, how to eat healthy, how to get yourself motivated, how to get your family healthy too. We are the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. This is what we do. So subscribe to our channels if you haven't. You'll get access to all of our videos, and you'll get notified if you check that little bell next to the subscribe button when we publish new videos. Publish at least a couple videos every single week on both channels. So that's amazing. And if you found this valuable, please hit the like button and drop us a comment below. Both of those things really help our channels grow. They help send these videos wide across the YouTube algorithm, and that really benefits us and can help more people like you get and stay healthy for themselves and their families. Thank you, my friend. Subscribe. Check those free workouts in the comment description below. We'll send those to your email, and I'll see you around our channels, and I'll talk to you very soon.